Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam. Things become very messy when you have a lot of item lying in your table, especially in your work table, as you can see here. One thing that will really help you to cushion up your electronic gadgets is this desk pad. Not only that, it will eliminate the requirement of separate mouse pad, but will make your hand very comfy while working for long duration. My current desk pad actually start decaying after 2 years. As you can see here, the rubber grip starts sticking on the table. So I ordered new one. And this one I bought from Amazon. Okay, so let's unbox this desk pad. And if I talk about its specification, it is 900 mm by 400 mm. Okay, so let's unbox it. So now I will just quickly tearing off this polythene. If I talk about its price, it cost me $8.99, and here you can see my new desk mat is quite bigger compared to the older one. So now I think I can accumulate a lot of other gadgets. Okay, so let me just quickly open it up. And here we go guys, here we can see it is quite large compared to my previous mat. In terms of thickness also, it is quite thicker compared to this one, which means that it can provide me better comfort when I place my palm using a mouse for prolonged use. Now let me replace this one. So this one I am removing. So here I'm going to with this one. If I talk about the build quality of this mat, I would say it is average, not too much high quality. As I can see here, you can see this stitching is not proper, but I don't think so that's going to bother me a lot. So if you want to buy this mat for yourself, then I would provide you the link in the description down below. And in terms of usability, it definitely served my purpose for whom I bought it for. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.